everyone, I am so delighted to have you here visiting my channel where I review items that I find beautiful and useful. And my reviews are always independent and I'm not sponsored by any of the brands, products of which you may see on my channel. So if you like honest reviews, that's a sign to subscribe. Anyway, today I want to unbox with you one of my birthday presents. It was on our joint family wish list for a while and waiting for some special occasion. So I'm really curious to unbox it with you and explore the quality, the overall impression. And very shortly before we open this bag and the box inside, I want to share with you how did I find out about Roberto Coin. It was, I think, over a year ago. When I was looking for some unseen piece of jewelry. Usually I only order custom-made pieces from a jeweler, but this time Roberto Coin Princess Flower collection caught my eye, and I clearly remember seeing a pendant in this beautiful flower shape, which resembled a little bit also a cross or a four-leaf clover, but certainly not looking the same as all those Van Cleef and Arpels necklaces, which you can see on every second person almost, which are also copied to the extent that is just unbelievable and makes you really avoid it. At least it was for me like that. So that necklace really caught my eye. It was exactly what I was thinking about. But being a customer which usually orders something custom made, I have a really good understanding about metals, stones, like diamonds, etc. I know the characteristics that I always check, and that particular necklace and also earrings, rings from the same collection, they were with black jade, and that's a stone that I didn't know much about. So I googled a little bit what to think about buying jade, and then I learned that there are different varieties of jade, and I asked Roberto Coin customer care to share a little bit more about the origin and variety of their jade. And surprisingly, they couldn't provide any of that information to me, but I got an email which was submitted by a lawyer representing Roberto Coin through the contact box on my personal website. And personal website that I have, just so you know, is absolutely not related to this YouTube channel or anything related to reviews. No, it's not. It's related to the work that I do. And so apparently, after I emailed Roberto Coin customer care with questions about jade, the lawyer representing them, can you imagine, probably Googled my name and then found my website and submitted email through the contact form there, saying something like that if I'm interested to know about their stones, that I can reach out, and he also left contact details. And I thought that was so cringe, totally. And I also replied to customer care asking, why did this happen and why should I contact a lawyer if I want to know more about their stones? And they didn't reply to me. Anyway, some time passed, and then I asked again the same question about the stone, and then they just replied saying that they can't provide any more details. And I was like, okay, well, after this happening with a lawyer contacting me and they're not providing any additional information about the jade, which wouldn't be weird to know, for example, certain characteristics of your diamonds, right? So it was a bit surprising, but I realized then that, okay, I won't buy anything with their jade, not knowing those details. And that was it. I kind of forgot about the brand, but time passed and I was still thinking that I want really beautiful necklace or a pendant that I would wear daily, and that wouldn't be too flashy, but also would still be special to me. And this design that I saw at Roberto Coin, it was really unique to me and really resonating well with my style, and yeah, it felt like exactly what I want. So I realized that they also have same necklaces without any stone, and yeah, then I put it on my wish list. So that's a little bit of a background story. So, I thought this was it has never happened to me that I would ask customer care about more details of certain material, and that this would happen. If they would have said just, no, we can't provide anything more, then it wouldn't be that weird as the lawyer contacting. So yeah, I don't know why that happened. I don't really care anymore, but still, I thought it's something to share about because it was this funny, not funny situation. Anyway, so now I got for my birthday this beautiful package, this beautiful dark green, which is definitely one of my favorite colors. and reminds me a little bit of Valextra, if you know the luxury handbag brand Valextra. I think it's also Italian, just as Roberto Coin, so it's very similar green. The family member which I got this from also gave me this box, which was also provided as part of the package. Put it aside so we can focus on this beautiful bag and what's inside. So inside there's a letter like that. And what does it say? It's a handwritten note from Roberto Coin team saying thank you for choosing Roberto Coin, enjoy your princess flower creation. So yeah, very cute. And then let's see, here is a beautiful dark green box. There's also another small envelope, which is, let's see, it's a certificate of authenticity with like date of purchase, gold weight, carat weight, and item code. Yeah, I wonder if I would have gotten something with jade or any other stone, if there would be anything more than the stone name written. I don't know. Anyway, so let's now unbox this box. Oh gosh, I'm so curious now. Have a look. Now there's a softer, like a velvet box here with RC, so the initials. And so I want to see the necklace first. Wow. Wow, it is really as it looked on the website. I haven't seen it live yet, but now that I see, I will also make sure to film some close-ups. It's gorgeous. It really is. And well, now just first impression after unboxing, it's really nice. It's comparable to like Cartier unboxing, like both the packaging and the personal message, like it's really nice. And here is the necklace itself. Side and the side with diamonds. It's a solid rose gold with 16 diamonds. And I know that there are options in white gold or yellow gold, but those I wasn't interested in because I prefer either white gold or rose gold. In this case, I wanted something that would melt with my skin tone, that I wouldn't really like to remove, so rose gold was my choice. And now let me put it on like that, very easily. Comfy clasp. Oh, like that. Now you see more than I see, obviously, so I need to go to the mirror and also film some close-ups and share my final impressions. So let's have a look. So here's a close-up. I love that the flower itself, it's made of several layers, as you can see, and it's not from just like plain piece of metal, but it's like weaved. And it's a solid rose gold, both the pendant and the chain, which I think has a really nice and gentle shade. And the middle section where the diamonds are mounted is in white gold. And then if we place it on the other side, here's how the back looks. It's also really nice that on the closure, I read that like each Roberto Coin item has a tiny ruby, as you can see. Now this particular chain has also 3 closing spots, so it's possible to wear this chain as and pendant as a choker or a bit longer. I've had it on me on the longest option, by the way. No, but seriously, it's impeccable, and I love that it's not just one layer, that it's several layers, like 3-dimensional effect. And I hope you can see also that the chain is not very thin, so it's a really nice quality and looks beautiful on the neck. I must say that I'm also glad that I didn't choose the smaller version, as there is a smaller version of this pendant, and I think that one would really like disappear on me, as I'm quite a tall person, and this size is really perfect. It really gives me a wow effect. So overall, I'm glad, I'm impressed, and it's just so me. Like the style itself is like really flower power, gentle, elegant, creative. Yeah, so what can I see overall then? I am really satisfied. I adore how gentle it looks, how not too flashy, but still luxurious it feels. And I think this is like a perfect statement necklace for someone like me who loves flowers, but I also like the parallel to a cross, also parallel to like infinity sign. And I think this is such a unique design. What a beautiful pendant. It's not too shiny, not too visible. It melts so perfectly with my skin tone, this rose gold, and it also has this sparkle from diamonds. I think it's also not that popular or visible for anyone to recognize it directly, like all those Van Cleef items. This is, I think, a more unique and statement piece. I'm now thinking whether it's a good idea to have filmed it so closely, because maybe more people will want to buy it now. I hope not too many, but anyway. One thing to consider is the length of the chain, which is like now at its maximum. I personally have longer chains in rose gold, so it's not a problem, but if you don't, and if you would prefer it to be worn not that high up, then it could be something to consider. I don't think that it's handmade, so for this price point I would always prefer a handmade item, but this design I liked like every single detail of it, so I didn't want to go to jeweler and ask me to create something like that. Like, I do respect the designers who put effort into designs like this, and that it's like this creation of this particular brand. So yeah, I really hope to be wearing it now often. I think I won't take it off at all. Like, it's solid gold, and the chain is not too delicate, so it should work, like going to shower, etc. I will probably just sometimes need to clean it in an ultrasound bath, which I also have for my jewelry. So let me know what you think. Has this been an interesting piece? Have you heard of Roberto Coin before? Maybe you have some items from this brand and have worn it longer. Maybe you can share something about the quality. Like that I will be able to review only after a year or so. But overall, from packaging perspective, unboxing experience, I really like it. The only thing that I wasn't very happy about was this kind of happening with their answer to my question about the variety of jade. That's a pity, because I would have bought a more expensive version of this necklace most probably, and also some other pieces with jade, if I knew the variety of their jade and would be able to make a decision based on that. But now that I don't know, I've bought another item, which, well, to be honest, I'm super glad about. So I'm also curious to hear if you have anything from Roberto Coin. How was your experience? Maybe you've visited their physical boutiques and would like to share anything about customer experience, then put that in the comment section. I haven't been to any Roberto Coin boutique, as in Sweden where I live there's none. I have seen one boutique when visiting Italy, but it was a long time ago and I didn't plan to buy anything. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you like this review, please consider subscribing, and also you are very welcome back to watch my other videos. So bye for now!